What's your name? Hi, love. How are you? How are you? Good. Very good. How old are you? 7 years old. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. You're not. Are you thirsty? I'm very good, love. Let's start our speaking test, okay? Let's start with the vocabulary words. Ready? Ready. What are you doing? I'm painting. Okay, very good. Spell eating. Spell painting. Okay, now practice the spelling, okay? Alright, now what's this? Do you have paddle? What is it? Do you have baseball? What is this? Do you have soccer ball? What is this? Do you have helmets? Very good. Now let's move on to this. School things. What are they?
They are 3 markers.
Do you have markers? They are?
They are 4 erasers. They are 4 color pencils.
Pencils. What are they?
They are 6 pens.
Okay. Love, do you have pens? Yes?
Yes, I do.
How many pens do you have?
I have 5 pens.
Do you have erasers? Yes, I do, or no, I don't? How many erasers do you have?
One eraser.
Oh, only one. Okay, no problem. Sit nicely. Sit nicely. Okay, here. Let's talk about the phonics. Give me the word and give me the sound, okay? Okay, what's this? Water.
Water.
Walk. Next.
Kangaroo. Question. Rabbit.
That R is letter, so ra is the sound. Next. Under. Good. Now let's match the picture and match the word. Okay, there we go. Draw. Where is the has to go? Show it to me. Good. Okay, next. Where is it? Okay, next. Good. Next is? Very good, love. Really good. Now, let's move on to the last part, love. You have to present your daily routine, okay? Ready? Oh, ready? Go. Hello.
Hello, my name is Mark. I'm 7 years old.
Here is.
It's my daily routine.
In the morning,
In the morning, when
I wake up
I
breakfast, and then I go home. Hey! Next. 1, 2, 3, go. I go home.
I go home at
4. And I like.
I like playing hunting and reading.
Reading. And then I
I sleep at
10 or 9. 10. Read my big sister. Say thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Okay, very good, love. That's the end of our speaking lesson. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, love. See you again.